What's up, guys? This is the first vlog. We're at a waterfall. I'm here with my friend Cody.
What's up? So, what are we doing today?
We're at a waterfall, dummy.
So we're just gonna give them a tour of the waterfall?
Might as well.
Well, this is his first time ever being here, so, this area is quite new to him, but it's not new to me.
My butt's starting to get froze.
Hey, yeah, this is definitely gonna be extremely cold, so, come on.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Get up. Now remember, don't drop your phone.
Yeah. I got a pop socket, so I'm good.
You're good? And I got a
Woo!
my phone like
Where'd my light go? Where'd my light go? Oh, I found it.
Found it. Right here, don't go down the path you're going.
Why?
Because that's a drop off.
Whee!
Go ahead, do it.
No.
I have to memorize.
I'm following you.
Boy, don't push me.
I just fucking did. So, yeah, we're just gonna probably give you guys a tour today. Then maybe later, I'll start my second vlog, which, like, probably not a tour of the house. A tour, like, we might do a game thing in a little bit once we get back to the house.
Look at that rock structure.
Ooh, icicle.
Ew. There's moss on it.
Ooh.
Ow.
Oh, it freaking hurt.
Yep.
And I remember that I can't swear on YouTube or else I'll get banned. So, no? Because then I'll get banned.
No.
Yeah.
No. Do you swear? They won't kick you off, just no inappropriate stuff.
Go.
Don't
Fine, I'll jump it. Move. Ah! Not my shoe! You dummy! Now we need to go back home. My foot's frozen now.
Get up, comrade!
I can't.
Okay, I'll just leave you here to die.
No.
You can get up!
My foot is frozen now. We need to go back home.
I'll warm it up for you.
Warm it up. My foot, not my ankle. Oh, it's so soaked.
Try moving it.
My foot!
Dude, you can get up. My feet are frozen right now and I'm still moving. You gotta do it for the vlog!
Oh, yeah.
Good thing we got change of clothes at home.
Yeah, you hold the camera. Tell a little about yourself to them.
So I live in an area. Can't really give that away. So he's gonna jump it.
By the way, we're not live right now. We will, well, maybe in 24 hours, maybe.
Well, by the time this is posted, it's gonna be the same day.
Yeah.
Because we don't do editing.
Yeah.
Too much effort.
Yeah.
Go. Jump. See? Footprints. People go back here. Jump! Hey, look, you did it. I got this.
Come.
Hang on. Woo! There you go.
We're not on a camera. We're on my phone.
So
yeah.
oh, of course,
So right when I'm done with this video, well, vlog, I will post it so you guys can see.
Yeah. By the time you guys see this, it'll be fucking awesome. Don't eat this snow.
Why?
Look how much bad stuff's in it.
Hey, here's your life.
Yay.
Oh, my leg. Tasty.
Tasty. Tastes pretty good, right?
You need to go back home now.
No.
Your grandpa's calling you. I can hear him.
You must have a loud voice. But we've only been recording for 4 minutes.
Yeah, time doesn't go by fast, bud.
Okay, have fun trying to get over. Hey! Now how are we gonna get back up? Because
Is there a rock here?
no.
I'm not here.
Go back down there. Hang on.
Why not?
Yeah, dude, that's all snow. Come on.
Come on. Move. Parkour, move. Ow.
That's parkour.
Okay, move. Come. No.
Is that all your daddy stuff?
What?
Is that all your electronics?
Yeah, just go.
Want me to do it?
Parkour.
Take the camera.
So, I just did a little parkour there. You guys didn't see. Wish we had like a zombie, it would be so much easier. But, feet are frozen. Legs hurt. Been walking for about 5 miles.
No, not so much.
I said 5. Really icy out here. Probably gonna take a break up here.
Huh?
Probably gonna take a break up here.
No, we still gotta climb up that hill.
I'm not up there. Up there.
Take my way, because there's not too.
How do you have so much energy?
I don't. Take a break.
Woo! Did a little slidey slide there. A little slidey slide. Another one! Made it across the hill, well not the hill, the waterfall. So now I'm walking up the hill. I'm on up the hill! So yeah. Oh! I broke my knee! 7 minutes we've been recording. Ah! I'm hanging on! Ah! It broke! My life broke. Help.
Come on, you can do it.
Ah!
You can do it. Get some traction. Holy Christ.
That was a...
You good? No. Come on. Hand, stay with it. Gotta take a pic of it.
Hey. Hold it.
Hold on, my phone's being gay.
Wait, you gonna post this on Facebook, Tom?
No.
How long have we been out here?
Couple minutes.
Like 20. Wait, if I check my Snapchat, will the video go bye-bye?
Hang on.
Come on already.
Okay. Yep, we got it. Come on. Oh shit, there's snow in my pocket.
Oh!
Oh crap, dude! You okay?
I'm sliding!
Get up here, get traction on the deer trail. Yeah, the thing that I'm standing on. This is the deer trail.
No! I need help.
Grab the tree. The tree's your buddy. It is priceless. Come on.
Alright, let me see it.
No.
Let me see my phone. Where's my goddamn phone?
Let me get up here.
I'm coming.
Here you go.
Okay, I think that'll be the end of the vlog for now. We're gonna do another one later.
No, let's keep recording when we're over.
Alright, see you guys later.
No, don't. We're gonna do it.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.